What are some fast and easy improvements for your Shopify store that will make your design a lot better? You will find out in today's video. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia. On this channel we talk about website design, social media marketing for business, so if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So in today's video we're going to talk about Shopify changes or website design changes for your Shopify store that will improve your website. Let's begin with the first one. Number one, pick the right theme for your brand or for your brand style. You need to think about what your people are searching for and what kind of style you're looking for your overall store look. Because if you have a lot of products on your store, you don't want to make it too crowded with a theme that has too many elements. So you need to think of a simpler theme that will combine well together with the products in your shop. You can choose free or paid themes, but my favorite ones are listed down below. Free ones or paid ones for Shopify that will work really well for different types of businesses. So picking the right theme for your Shopify store is a really make it or break it thing for your store. Step number two, your logo. Your logo is very important and the placement of it as well on your website. You need to think of a minimal logo if your business is very minimal. You don't need to add too many elements to your logo for your store. If your store doesn't have a logo yet, you can definitely start your shop and just type your store name in a font that fits your brand, because every theme has that available. If you have a logo and want to add it, make sure to either remove the background. Don't add a logo over an image background with a white background. It's a break it deal, so don't do that. But try different logo placements for your Shopify website and see how it looks better with your shop. The third tip is images, visuals, videos. Those are the most important ones for your Shopify store because those are the most aesthetically pleasing things that your audience will be seeing on your website, and you need to make sure you add the right ones. So hire a product photographer if you're not good at taking photographs or videos of your product. Invest in photos because those are the most important things. Those will help you market on social media and those will help people stay on your website. So product photography, invest in that. It is the most important thing for your products, except for your product's quality, of course. You can use sliders on the homepage, images for your categories, and much more. Number four, navigation menus. Make sure to split them into main menu and secondary menu, and also add a footer menu with a lot more links and information for your clients. Another really important tip is add a search button on your website. People don't want to spend the time to search through all of your products to find something. If they have the search button, they just can type a keyword there and find what they're looking for and just purchase it. So make sure to have the search option on your website. Another tip is having the option of having a wish list on your Shopify website so people can add products to the wish list and then come purchase them later once they can decide which ones they need to add to cart and which not. If you don't have that option, people will most likely won't browse through your shop and won't find that a pleasing shopping experience. The next thing that is very important, product descriptions, the product page, the product reviews, the main points of the products. You need to optimize each product page very well for people to actually be interested and become interested in those products and ultimately end up shopping. Another quick tip is adding an Instagram feed at the bottom of your Shopify store. It changes completely the look of your store and people can also find you on Instagram and find a way to connect with you. The next tip is for category pages on Shopify. Make sure to optimize each category page with a unique banner, with a unique description for people to know what they will find in that category. Also, for all products and for each product category, add a product filter. This will be a game changer for your Shopify store. It is not difficult to add. You can either have it embedded in your theme or you can use a plugin for that. But I have a few theme recommendations that have that plugin enabled, that app enabled, and you can set up filters directly for your product with that theme. The product filter helps people find the products that they're looking for so much faster, and it improves their shopping experience overall. So there you go. These are a few tips or website changes that I would do for my Shopify store to make it a lot more visibly appealing to your customers and for people to actually stay more on your shop and end up making a purchase. If you need somebody to help you with your Shopify website design, my services are listed down below so you can get in contact with me. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lydia.incomingsuccess, where I post daily more insightful content on growing online with social media. On this channel, I post every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to click the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.